My name is Emily Brown and I am the Director of I.O.U Theatre. I also work here at I.O.U as a project manager, and alongside those things I do kind of freelance workshop-y bits and actor training. My Making It workshop today is about interview techniques and verbatim theatre, so we're going to be learning how to get the best out of the person that you're interviewing, and then we're going to look at turning that into our own piece of choreography. Verbatim theatre is about using people's words, like their actual words and their actual stories, and putting them on stage. From the workshop today, I hope people will gain a sense of confidence in interviewing people. Not only that, but it can just be useful for general sort of listening skills as well. And I hope that people will come away having made something that they didn't think they would be able to make before. I think that people can practice the skills that they've learnt today at home by using their newfound listening skills, you know, in communicating with their friends and family. And I also hope that people will feel empowered to make their own choreography, because I think it can be a daunting thing for people. But I hope that the workshop will enable people to be able to move a bit more freely and enjoy moving around a bit more and making their own choreography. If you want to create your own piece of verbatim theatre, my advice would be to choose a suitable space, practice your listening skills, listen non-judgmentally and quietly, and use open body language, and make sure that you've got a structure for your questions. Make sure that you're going to go in not anticipating the answers, but you want to know what it is that you want to find out from that person. If anyone today wants to find out a bit more about the work that I.O.U Theatre do, you can follow us on social media at I.O.U Theatre. You can come and see the show Little Change, which is touring in West Yorkshire in February, or you can email me at emily@makedotheatre.com. I hope everyone today has really enjoyed the workshop, and thank you I.O.U for having me.